Greetings. Today is Monday, August 19th, 2019. This is a day late, and I apologize for that. I'm in a hotel room. Don't know if you noticed that. I got jammed up yesterday on Sunday and had trouble getting a video put together. I want to put one together tonight as soon as possible. Let me tell you about the week. Started on the 12th. Oh, this is Dissertation Diaries. Feel free to like and subscribe. Ask any questions in the comments. Hope to have these online soon. I've got a group of people I'm putting together. Tell me to get these online. They're not yet. First of all, last Monday, I wrote section 3.6.3 on sample and recruitment. And then things got dicey. On Friday, or on Saturday, all week I was buried. On Saturday, the 17th, I decided to research some similar dissertations, and I ran into some that used the ChiSquare Analysis, ChiSquare statistic, which I sort of remember a little bit. And I decided that made sense to do a ChiSquare analysis. I downloaded G-Star Power and started using it. Its own fun little story. Macs have a dark mode, and the G-Power software does not perform well in dark mode. Very hard to read. And I wrote the authors, said, hey, here's a usability issue. You might want to put it on your to-do list. And they wrote back lecturing me on how dark mode was a bad thing. Whatever. I got fascinated. I spent way too much time on my paper on Saturday before I was supposed to be packing and coming up to the hotel. Really excited about this. On Sunday, I had to run back to Colorado Springs. We forgot a couple things. I ran back there, picked up a few things, and while I was there waiting for my electric car to charge, I studied several ChiSquare articles. And I decided that even though mine is a descriptive study, I'm going to put into it some levels of, it's a descriptive study, but I'm going to put into it some level of hypothesis. I've written it so far with no hypothesis in there, hypotheses. And I decided that with a chi-square distribution, a goodness of fit, turns out there are two different types of chi-square. There's goodness of fit and there's independence test. I think I'm just going to do a goodness of fit, which tests whether or not the frequency distribution is as expected for a particular statistic. And so, or for a particular distribution of data. So I'm going to do that on my two questions. I have three questions total. All three are categorical. The first two have three choices each. And I'm just going to do a straight goodness of fit. I can always come back later and do some more information on that. And do more analysis in a future study. Wow, that's about it. I got to go to bed. It's late. I got a long day at work tomorrow. Tonight, I spent some time studying more about chi-square distributions, found an old textbook, went through it, found several articles. Good stuff. Good stuff. I'll talk more about that next week. This coming week, I want to get this section finished, locked, loaded, go back, redo the section on research questions and on hypotheses, go fix all those, get it back in there and get it into my dissertation chair's hands by the 7th week, which is in 4 weeks from now. That's it. Hope you have a great week.